Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a peaches and cream look using my Seint Custom Compact. I'm just putting my hair back and my face is freshly washed. All of my moisturizers and my serums and my sunscreen has completely sunk in. I'm going to start the look by using my Color Science 3-in-1 Total Eye as my concealer. You know, I'm over 40 now, and welcome to my midlife crisis. I cannot use traditional concealer or foundation under my eyes, and I actually like to apply this SPF. It has a peachy undertone, so perfect for this look. Picking up the blush and bronzer brush, I'm going to dip in the bronzer color called TANLINES. This has such a beautiful peachy color. It's amazing for fair skin tones. And I'm just gonna start warming up the top and the sides of my face and really anywhere the sun naturally hits me. Make sure to get that color in your hairline. Sometimes if you don't really blend your color into your hairline, it can kind of look white and off, but I like to bring a little bit under my chin, and I have not dipped back into the bronzer. It goes so far with just one dip, and as you can see, it has such a beautiful finish. It just always leaves the skin glowing and looking like skin. Picking up the 3D brush, I'm now going to dip into this color here. It's called Amber, and this is going to be my main foundation shade. I like to just pick up a small amount and I start stippling and working it into the skin only where I need it. Again, a little goes a long way, and you can always build the coverage. I just like to press it into the skin, handling any kind of redness, and you can see it just smoothing on and canceling out everything that I want to cancel without looking cakey. The finish is very smooth because cream makeup moves with your face. It warms to your skin and it just has the most incredible finish. Look at the difference between the both sides, without and with. The side with the Seint is so creamy and dreamy, and without, well, it needs some Seint. One thing I wanted to mention while I do the other side of my face here is that this makeup is different and there is a little bit of a learning curve. So when you initially go to the website, the colors that are in the tins and in the pictures are a little bit different than what it will be on your face. And that's where it's important to work with a Seint artist. If you need my help, all you need to do is send me a makeup-free selfie facing a window in natural light, and I can suggest the perfect colors for you. I'm always here for you in case you need any help at all. So what I like to do down the center of my face is actually take whatever is left over on my brush and use the smallest amount over my lip and nose area. There's nothing that bothers me more than blowing my nose during the day or something like that and completely ruining my makeup. And since we're taking care of the distractions on the rest of our face, we can get away with it. I'm gonna give my skin a little bit more of a blend by pouncing in the makeup using this amazing sponge. I just discovered it. It is called the Stands Out Sponge, and I'm not affiliated in any way. I bought this using my own money, and I don't think I'll ever use a different beauty blender or sponge again. It just gives you the prettiest finish. It just presses in the makeup without lifting anything, and it gives such a flawless effect to the face. I'm gonna leave all the information for this sponge in the description box below, along with everything I used today. Flipping my 3D brush over, I'm going to use the more tapered side to dip into my brightening shade. This is the color called White Peach, and I'm just going to add it to the inner corner of my cheeks where it connects to my nose to give me a little bit of brightness and pop. Picking up a tiny more amount, I'm going to highlight my chin, the smallest little touch above my lip, and I'm also going to add a little bit to the center of my forehead and in between the eyebrows to give that creaminess to my peaches and cream complexion. Do you see how it just subtly brightens? Picking up the blush and bronzer brush, I'm going to use the smaller end to dip into the color Frenchie. Now this is really going to put the peaches in our cream. It is the most beautiful pinky peach color. And this trick, I saw it on TikTok. I thought it was the funniest thing, but it's supposed to place your blush right on the apples of your cheek. Totally unnecessary, but I'm just having fun. I'm sure you can find the apples of your cheeks by yourself. But if you wanted to try this, it actually worked, and I really liked the placement of where it had my blush. Another trick I like to do is taking the blush from my cheek up over my nose and to the other side and back. This gives that cold girl look. It gives that right out of the crisp air kind of flush, and it just looks so pretty. Following it up with my Stands Out sponge to make sure nothing is cakey and everything looks smooth and flawless. Now it's time for the eyes. I'm going to use this cute palette from Sweet and Mint. It's a Korean brand and the colors are very subtle. I'm going to use this peach shade to do a wash of color over my lid, and I'm going to take that color above my crease as well. Taking the light brown color, I'm going to place that color just above my crease. Because I have a hooded eye, you need to put the color a little bit above your natural crease or else it's going to get lost. And I actually really love this shade because for being a light brown, it actually has a very peachy undertone. Now I'm going to go into the darker brown shade and we are going to deepen the eye, smoke it out a little bit and give it a little more dimension. I'm going to powder down a tiny bit. I'm going to pick up my Oil Cut Packed by I'm Meme, and this is the cutest little thing. I'm going to add the smallest amount of powder just down the center of my face, a little bit on my chin, above my lip, on the sides of my nose, anywhere in my T-zone that I feel has a little too much shine. Just going to take it down a bit. Y'all, we are coming along and I'm starting to feel myself. We're gonna do a little bit of a winged eye using this rich brown L'Oreal liquid eyeliner. This is the perfect complement to a peaches and cream look because it's not too harsh. It just gives a nice soft brown wing. This is a really great pen if you don't have a lot of experience doing a winged eyeliner because it's not really wet and you can have a lot of control. I love the color too. Drag the liner just to the center of your eye, just pushing into the lash line. I use 3 products for my lashes. I use the L'Oreal Voluminous Conditioner, the Sky High Mascara by Maybelline, and then also the Maybelline Pumped Up Volume Mascara. It's a little extra, but I'm telling you, the 3 of these together give you the most volume and length, and it lasts all day and night. I'm gonna have to do an in-depth mascara routine because look at these lashes. They're crazy. Moving to the lips, I'm picking up my tried and true trusty lip pencil by MAC in the color Spice. We're gonna lightly outline the lips without overlining, and I'm also gonna fill them in a little bit for longevity. My lip color today is the viral Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the shade Reef. These glosses are a sensation for a reason. They're not sticky, they're very comfortable, they have high pigment. This color is the perfect pinky peach shade. It definitely reminds me of Frenchie, and I love the high gloss shine. Okay, we are all done. What do you think, guys? Do you like this peaches and cream look? I feel so pretty, dewy, and radiant, and I had so much fun doing this look with you guys today. If you have any questions for me, you can always leave them in the comments. If you want to give me some love, make sure to drop me a like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of the fun. Until the next time, bye!